চেষ্টা করুন এই যেহেতু জিএসটি ইনভয়েস, ট্যাক্স ইনভয়েস আপনাকে দেওয়া হয়েছে, এটা জেনুইন কিনা এটা অ্যাসার্টেন করুন। আপনি মেল করেছেন, চুপ করে বসে থাকলে পেরিসেবল গুড এগুলো নষ্ট হয়ে গেলে তখন তো আরেকটা
objections in the report. If you will kindly see the report once.
that the veracity of the objection, the jurisdictional magistrate will decide. But your allegation is that repeatedly magistrate is asking to file the report.
3 occasions now. Every time, Millard, they are raising an objection.
কবে ফাইল করছেন?
আমি 4 তারিখে ফাইল করেছিলাম, 8 তারিখে ফাইল
Not accepted.
Not accepted. They are raising, Millard, objections which have Millard absolutely dears the statute.
Magistrate should go into the veracity of the objection, sustainable or not sustainable.
Millard, kindly consider this. Millard, if they repeatedly say that a good and a vehicle is stolen, despite the fact
they will say not stolen, it was scot free.
No, Millard, kindly
what
see.
are you expecting from them?
Millard, I am expecting a fair report should be submitted
That
because
will decide, the magistrate will decide.
Under section 451, what are the grounds on which vehicle and perishable goods can be detained? Millard,
I can say 226 only can be decide that there must be a report as directed by the magistrate.
Millard, kindly direct, Millard, I am only expecting this from your lordship. Millard, kindly direct them. Millard, take into consideration the Supreme Court judgment. What the Supreme Court has said,
magistrate will do.
Let them file a report.
Don't convert, they don't put them such pressure. They will read the Supreme Court judgment. And then
they know,
they know constitution. They will learn. They will read the law books as it requires for their promotion.
They know what to cite in the report. And in the instant,
let them do their work. I'm not going to. On your allegation is that they have not submitted their report.
No, Millard. In my specific pleading is, Millard, they are submitting reports and stating such things in the report which are dehours the law.
I cannot regulate the magistrate will decide.
It's their authority to submit a report.
Take with the magistrate.
Millard, kindly,
things cannot be gone into.
Millard, while exercising powers under section 451, which is, Millard, a new provision now under the BNSS, the magistrate exercises his jurisdiction on the basis of a report submitted by the police authorities.
You don't have any other forum to enter it. This is the writ court alone.
Millard, so far as their report, Millard, except writ petition, Millard, I have no other remedy.
What other positions are there?
When the Millard magistrate exercise his or her jurisdiction, Millard, I can go for a revision.
Yes, either is accept or reject.
Reject.
So my magistrate is not accepting or rejecting. When you have filed your report.
Millard, kindly seize
what is the case number? What is the case?
Kindly see, Millard, page 49.
Report.
Annex to the writ petition, page 49.
It is the last report.
The last report. Millard, the first report, the second is at 51.
49. Change.
Please see. Suppose page 49 is the report.
It is the report. Yes, Lordship. Lordship, but besides this, we have submission, Lordship. As per the IO, he personally investigated the matter, Lordship. There is no existence of this logistic company, Lordship.
The next writ petition preferred by the logistics company, GST registration certificate on record.
It's better we will submit.
It's absolutely an extortion racket going on. Next writ petition. The consignor has come before your lordship. The GST registration certificate. The GST authorities have never said that does not exist. Has they verified it?
2555.
Yes, 2555. Bikash Enterprise, sole proprietorship form. Page number 16 is my GST registration certificate.
This is which police station?
This is Lordship Halakata police station.
What is his rank?
Lordship?
What is his
Sub Inspector, Lordship. এটা তুমি কাকে পাঠিয়েছো মেলটা? Lordship, he has sent this mail to the local police station, Lordship, regarding the existence of this Bikash Enterprise.
No such Bikash named as a Bikash Enterprise at the above noted point. What is your address? You have shown me.
Page 16.
Ground floor, building, district south of River Parganas.
Yes.
আপনি সেখানে গেছিলেন দেখতে?
স্যার আমি ওই লোকাল পুলিশ স্টেশনে আমি মেসেজ করেছিলাম, বাই পোস্ট আমি মেল করেছিলাম, আর ওনার যে আছে অ্যাপিয়ার করার জন্য, তো মেলও ওখানে ডেলিভার হয়নি ফর ইনসাফিসিয়েন্ট অ্যাড্রেস, ওটাও রিটার্ন এসছে আমাদের।
কি অ্যাড্রেসে পাঠিয়েছিলেন?
ওই যে অ্যাড্রেস এখানে আমাদের যে কনসাইনমেন্ট যে ইয়েটা পেয়েছিলাম, ট্যাক্স টোকেন যেটা সিজার হয়েছিল আমাদের ডিউরিং সিজার ইনসিডেন্ট, সেই অ্যাড্রেসে আমরা পাঠিয়েছিলাম যে
ওই
কনসাইনমেন্ট।
অ্যাড্রেসটা কি আছে?
Page 52 of the first writ petition. Page 52 of the WPL 2549. The tax invoice and the challan. Well, it is, if any layman puts this UA bill number in the portal, it is showing the tax invoice, the consignment note, the UA bill, and they say it is forged. Well, how someone will deal with this?
গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোর দাগ নাম্বার 273, আপনি এই অ্যাড্রেসই পাঠিয়েছিলেন তো?
Millard knows better than me.
বিল্ডিং নাম্বার 273।
Millard knows better than me. Millard, whenever a GST registration certificate is issued, Millard, it is now geotagged also through the common portal. Millard, I only ask one question. What statement they have taken in this 1 month time from the GST authorities to inquire whether the UA bill was forged or not? They say it is a stolen good, there is no FIR of theft, it is a suo motu FIR. It is very easy, you stand in the highway in the night, you get hold of a truck, say it is a stolen good, arrest the owner and the consignor.
আচ্ছা শুনুন, এখানে দিকে তো এটা জিএসটি নাম্বার।
Regarding the AIM logistics,
মাই লর্ড, আমি জিএসটি কে মেল করেছিলাম, লোকাল শিলিগুড়ি জিএসটি তে কালেক্ট করেছি, যে জিএসটি কলকাতা জিএসটি তে আন্ডারে পড়ছে। আমার কাছে কেস ডকে ডায়েরি আছে মাই লর্ড, আমি পাঠিয়েছি, এবং ওখান থেকে আমার কাছে রেসপন্স না আসে, আমি দুবার আমি ওখানে রিমাইন্ডারও পাঠিয়েছি, কিন্তু এখনো সেখান থেকে রিগার্ডিং দ্যাট কনসার্নার কোনো
How
রিপোর্ট
can you help your client? So,
Lordship,
but whatever he has done by sending mail to the GST authority to ascertain whether this petitioner's company is in existence or not, the GST authority did not reply. So what help you have rendered to him? Help.
Somebody department, let them give a report.
stand for the GST. Internet GST.
You just ascertain, help the IO to get this information whether this company is in existence or not.
Right.
So GST things are there. So allegation is stolen goods. So accordingly, he will file a report to give the complete report he required to get the assistance of these things. This will solve your problem.
This will solve my problem.
So allegation is one problem. So before filing these reports, you complete your exercise. When আপনি ওই GST বলুন যেখানে যা করতে হয়, তো state health advocate will help you with the next date in for filing the report.
Millard,
Lordship, one more thing we would like to submit that the regarding the AIM logistic Lordship, if this the address of the AIM logistic is in Assam Lordship. This
No,
and
Vikas
he personally
Enterprise.
take it to
Millard, Vikas Enterprise is the consignor. He definitely, all consignors engage a logistics company to get their goods loaded. That is AIM Logistics, and the consignee is in Delhi. So in between in Falagata, they have intercepted the vehicle.
So being the consignor, you may have engaged ABCDEFGH whoever.
Yeah, I can.
But this is a purchase good that will be reflected from where? From the GST bills?
Absolutely. We have produced the bills. It is only for them to verify whether the tax invoice is genuine or not.
Genuine হয়, tax invoice যদি genuine হয়, তাহলে এটা purchase good. Purchase good হয়, তাহলে আপনাকে আর যে লজিস্টিক কোম্পানি নিয়ে যাচ্ছে তার পিছনে দৌড়ে তো কোনো লাভ নেই, আসে কোনো কাজে তো
না, সেই লজিস্টিক কোম্পানির কোনো অস্তিত্ব নেই।
Well, everyone is not able to.
কিন্তু প্রথমে দেখুন বুস্টার কোনো পারচেজ গুড কিনা, গুডটা পারচেজ। তো এটা বোঝার জন্য তো আপনার লজিস্টিক কোম্পানিকে ধরে কোনো লাভ নেই, আপনাকে তো দেখতে হবে ওয়ে বিল নিচে আপনার, সরি, দি পারচেজ বিল নিয়েছে, জিএসটি বিল রেজিস্ট্রেশন, সেখান থেকে জানলেই জানতে পারবেন।
তাহলে আমরা চেষ্টা করেছি, যেহেতু জিএসটি থেকে কোনো রকম রিপ্লাই আসছিল না, আমরা সব জায়গা থেকে আমরা অল্টারনেটিভ চেষ্টা করেছি।
কিন্তু আপনি প্রথমে চেষ্টা করুন, এই যেহেতু জিএসটি ইনভয়েস, ট্যাক্স ইনভয়েস আপনাকে দেওয়া হয়েছে, এটা জেনুইন কিনা এটা অ্যাসার্টেন করুন। আপনি মেল করেছেন, চুপ করে বসে থাকলে পেরিসেবল গুড এগুলো নষ্ট হয়ে গেলে তখন তো আরেকটা মামলা হবে। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? আপনি যদি না পারেন, আপনাকে জিএসটি অথরিটি যারা আছেন এখানে তারা হেল্প করবে। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য নেক্সট ডেট ইন দ্য কোর্ট ফর ফাইলিং ইউর রিপোর্ট?
Next step to follow. There is no such next step, Lordship, as the charge sheet has not filed.
So, you'd like to file your report in any update, you can file your report.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh? So tell me within which time you can file your report, depending upon GST.
Lordship, if GST will send us the report immediately as soon as possible, then we will submit within 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Very well. I'm disposing it off, directing him to file a report in respect of this case number.
With respect to the goods as well as the vehicle, Millard, within 2 weeks.
Vehicle is also.
Vehicle is also, Millard, vehicle they have, Millard, I don't know what wrong the vehicle has done.
So
He
vehicle.
doesn't have the objection regarding the vehicle, only he has the raised the objection that there is a overloading in the
That is whatever the case is, you register, যা কেস হয়, যা পেনাল্টি হয় সেটা বিচার করে দিলে ছাড়িয়ে নেবেন। হ্যাঁ?
But that is for the motor vehicles department to do so, RTO, not probably the
Now,
police.
what is the relief you have sought for in this?
Millard, in WPA 2, Millard, the first writ petition 2549, I have prayed for release of the vehicle, and 255555 is for release of the goods.
So the release of the vehicle, you have engaged some transport company.
Yes, the vehicle owner, the petitioner is the owner of the vehicle, Millard Shofikuddin Lashkar. The registration certificate of the vehicle, Millard would find annexed to the writ petition, Millard, at page 16.
So can I record that you have no objection in releasing the vehicle subject to the penalty for overloading being paid?
Yes, sir. The vehicle owner has already appeared before me and submitted their documents. I already verified the documents. It's all okay. Just only 7,700 kilos as is the
Excess over.
This is the very but our problem is that the goods loaded in the things, we don't have any capacity to
Unload that and to keep it somewhere.
It's a very problematic.
So let's,
So
further,
do it together. Do it together.
Millard, kindly
Vehicle
cartel,
is being used as a go down.
as a go down. So kindly, Millard, cartel the period, let them submit, Mr. Sarkar Millard will assist him, Millard, grant them 7 days to file a report before the jurisdiction arrives.
Try to do it within 7 days because the perish. What are the goods over there?
Areknat, Supari, Bittelnat.
vehicle.
Oh, this is already gone. I know it is already gone. By this time, Millard, it has no marketability. Because all these goods are used by Millard, by reputed companies
No one knows. You take palm?
after marriage ceremonies and all, Millard.
That is not, you are not a regular taker. They sell it like you are. Ultimate is the consumer.
Millard, I cannot because the way bill has been generated. In that condition, it has to reach the consigner. Otherwise, GST department will run behind.
Lordship, I would like, before passing in order, Lordship, I would like to submit that during the investigation, two invoice has revealed, but as per their investigation that these invoices are fake, Lordship, which already ceased.
My lord,
কি বললো?
Invoice, fake invoice.
আমি my lord, আমি যে ড্রাইভার অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছিল, ড্রাইভারের মোবাইল থেকে একটা ইনভয়েস পেয়েছি এবং যে তার সঙ্গে যে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট গিয়েছিল তার মোবাইল থেকে একটা ইনভয়েস পেয়েছি। তার মধ্যে যেটা অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্টের কাছ থেকে যে ইনভয়েসটা পাওয়া গেছে তার মোবাইলে, সেই ইনভয়েসটা ওনারা প্রডিউস করছেন, কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি গাড়িটা এসছে শিলচর থেকে লোড হয়ে 24 তারিখ, এবং সেই গাড়িটা হচ্ছে আমাদের এখানে 2 তারিখে গাড়িটা আমরা রিটার্ন করি। কিন্তু বাই দিস টাইম ওভারঅল মানে গিয়ে দেখা যাচ্ছে ড্রাইভারের টাওয়ার লোকেশন, ড্রাইভারের স্টেটমেন্ট, ইচ এন্ড এভরিথিং, যে ড্রাইভার যে কনসাইনমেন্টটা নিয়ে রওনা হয়েছিল সেটা যে ট্যাক্স ইনভয়েসটা যেটা আছে সেটা ডিফারেন্ট, কিন্তু মাঝখানে এই ট্যাক্স ইনভয়েসটা ঢুকেছে বক্সিরহাটে এসে। দিস ইজ দ্য ভেরি বিগ প্রবলেম।
What is the basis of this observation? May I ask this to myself? Whether, Millard, a police authority without any complaint lodged, suo moto, can look into this, which is a specific power under Rule 130A conferred upon the GST authority. They would have intercepted the vehicle, immediately handed over the vehicle to the GST authority? What jurisdiction he has usurped upon himself to do this exercise?
No.
Because invoice, no, kindly see this. Once a EOA bill is generated, every vehicle is tracked. Ms. Sarkar will assist your court on this under the new GST rules. All the toll plaza locations are tracked when the vehicle moves. So that record is with the GST authority, whether the point of loading, point of unloading, and the transit is in accordance with the EOA bill or not. What jurisdiction the police could assume in this? He should have handed over this to the GST authorities.
For filing of this report, when you have a doubt about it, right, the appropriate authority is the GST authority. So you file in consultation with the GST authority, file your complete report that on investigation I have found these are my report. Magistrate will decide. Just will
There are dozens of cases every week.
So you can, in your report, you clarify. These are the things I have got. These are the things I got it. And the magistrate will decide. They will argue in their own way. But unless you take the GST authority in your confidence to get all these things, you cannot even space your doubt, but you cannot give any definite opinion on that.
There is no jurisdiction even to doubt. His jurisdiction is to hand over the entire thing to the GST authorities.
Yes, you now better late than never. Now you take this approach and file your report after in consultation with the GST authority. They will respond. They are not responding. That is your problem. That every time you are sending mail, they are not responding. Let you do that exercise and try to do it as soon as possible. You please render him Ashun.
But my only I'll beseech your lordship, don't dispose of this. Let them submit the report. Let this be kept pending.
No. Why?
Kindly, I have suffered enough for the last 1 month. I don't want to come by another round of repetition. Let them submit a report, I'll come and say before the court, the matter has been resolved. Kindly, don't dispose this off.
Very well.
Kindly, extremely grateful.
Personal appearance to dispense with program নামটা নিয়ে Mr. The petitioner is Ajay.
It can pass a common order also if Millard so desires. For the
No. It will be difficult.
As your lordship does.
No, already common order to করে রেখেছে। আচ্ছা, দেখো in the truck driver case, which one is first?
Millard 2549. That is Millard, the owner of the vehicle.
Owner of it. The petitioner in WPA 2549 of 2024 is the owner of the alleged offending vehicle is praying release of it, which is in now police custody, which is in the custody of the police at present. The petitioner is praying release of the same. Stop. This is and advocate for the state of obstruction. Leading into dispense with submits that there is no difficulty in releasing the vehicle, but the seized goods, since are lying in the said vehicle, it would be difficult to unload the vehicle and difficult to keep the articles after unloading it. Therefore, she prays that the vehicle of the therefore he submits that the vehicle will be released as soon as the goods would be released in favor of the petitioner of WPA 255 of 2024. So the investigating officer informs this court that due to that he has some pending inquiries from the GST authority regarding the seized goods. As soon as the same will be delivered,